One of the reasons that there had been so much fervor in math education starting in the late 80s, well, this particular round, it goes back every 25 years or so, we shake things up. But starting at least in the late 80s was the technology. I mean, when you start, let's face it, when you have machines that can do well, I guess the machine can probably pretty much get an A in calculus now. I mean, it can do all of the homework, and it can do all the calculations for you. There really is a question about whether we should just be teaching kids to do what machines already can do better, or whether we should be teaching them to think a little bit more and to apply the mathematics that they're learning, or understand the mathematics that they're learning. We don't. I mean, the easy ones we threw out, and so no one knows how to take a square root anymore by hand. But, there's long division, and there's, okay, we still teach it, but then again, how much practice do you do? How much time do you spend with kids getting them to be fluent in all of these technical things when the machine is perfectly capable of doing it? At some point, you turn yourself over, and how does that, Now, a lot of math education ignores this. I mean, just like it didn't happen. Like there aren't spreadsheets. Like, we don't have all of this beautiful software that does statistical things for us and other geometric things. But at some point, that's got to be incorporated. The kids are ahead of us anyway. I mean, they've all got, they're much more facile than we are with a lot of the technology. So it's all going to happen. The question of how and when and how we organize that, I think, it's something that we've been putting off, but we can't put off much longer. And that's the hope is the next generation, always is. So yeah. At any rate, I would wish that the Common Core and the curricula that come out of it pay more attention to that, value it more. I think that's really, one of the issues. There is a value thing in here, which is kind of like the value system is, well, if you can do it by paper and pencil, then somehow you're smarter, you're better. The truth is, there's nothing wrong with using computing as shortcuts to help you, and it should have a stronger place in math education.